Cars. They're the number one way we get to work in the morning, how we run our errands, and how we get the kids to school on time. But did you know that cars are the number one problem against our fight with global warming? They cause car exhaust, engine noise, and they're the number one problem against air pollution. The solution? Lime. Lime is a user-friendly app that helps you locate the nearest electric scooter near you. Simply scan the barcode when the app opens, and you're set to ride. The benefits of using this app are they help you access public transportation, reduce your carbon footprint, and help you save money. Not convinced? Let me tell you this. 1 kilowatt hour of energy helps a regular gas-powered car travel less than 1 mile. A Tesla Model 4, 4 miles, but a Lime electric scooter on 1 kilowatt hour of energy can travel 80 miles. So next time you get in your car, think about taking a Lime instead and saving not only your wallet, but the earth in the process.